The Indian Air Force on January 13 announced the induction of the indigenous 110-kilometer range beyond visual range air-to-air missile Astra. While detailing its show of strength in the forthcoming Republic Day parade, the IAF declared that the Astra has been integrated with Sukhoi 30 Mk-1 and will be integrated with the Mirage 2000, Tejas and MiG-29 in the future. The Astra fills up the critical air-to-air missile gap vis-a-vis Pakistan, which was exposed during the post-Balakot aerial confrontation over the line of control on February 27 last year against the Pakistan Air Force AIM-120 AMRAAMS with a range of 110 km. The maximum air-to-air reach of the IAF was under 80 km with the R-77. As a result, IAF's frontline Su-30 MKIs were forced into defensive maneuvers when the AMRAAM armed PAF F-16s attacked India in retaliation to India's cross-border airstrike on the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist camp and Balakot in Pakistan on February 26. The 110-kilometer range of the Astra neutralizes Pakistan's advantage over India in air-to-air weaponry. The Astra is capable of engaging both short-range targets at a distance of 20 km and long-range targets up to a distance of 80 to 110 km at varying altitudes, an IAF spokesperson elaborated. The Astra is India's first indigenous air-to-air missile. The features of this all-weather BVR include mid-course inertial guidance with terminal active radar homing. In a major decision aimed at boosting the domestic aerospace industry, India on Wednesday approved a much-awaited deal with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, worth rupees 48,000 crore to procure 83 indigenously developed light combat aircraft, Tejas, for the Indian Air Force. The decision to procure the fleet was taken at a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said, touted as a game-changer for the domestic aviation industry. The news did provide a shot in the arm to HAL, with its stock surging by 10% on Thursday after the announcement of the deal. Singh commented that the move will strengthen government's self-reliance program Atmanirbhar Bharat while commenting on HAL's capacity-building measures to ensure top-of-the-line product. He said that 50% of the parts will be manufactured indigenously. This figure is expected to go up to 60% by the end of the program. R. Madhavan, Chairman and Managing Director of HAL, said the production rate of Tejas is being augmented from 8 to 16 aircraft per year through the creation of a new infrastructure in Bangalore. However, if the company's track record is anything to go by, the schedule of deliverables should raise concerns and not the PSU's capacity to manufacture it. News Desk Kaumudy, English.